let's take a deeper look at the search functionality inside of DSE. First of all the nodes in the cluster or data center will need to have this functionality enabled for it to properly function. DataStax Enterprise runs DSE Core and Solr with years of integration work and some secret sauce. Both the search and core services will use the same JVM or Java virtual machine, and this is to address the atomicity of the data. DataStax Enterprise gains the search capabilities from Solr and Lucene, but our search functionality also benefits from the capabilities of DataStax Core, as the core will be the integrated data store. This means there's no ETL required, data is automatically replicated and indexed and modified as topology changes, and the enhanced functionality from our core benefits bleed into search technology as well, such as advanced performance and traffic control. Search indexes are created and selected on Cassandra tables, which are identified by key space and name. Index configuration drives what is searchable and how it can be searched and queried. This is highly customizable and able to be modified directly through CQL. Cassandra stores the CQL raw data in the data store, and Solr generates and stores the search index information for those rows. Each DSE node indexes its data and ranges and stores that information locally, which implies replication of the search indexes as well as your store data. Indexes are stored on the file system in the Cassandra data directory under solr.data by default and can be configured to be placed in other locations. Your search index configuration consists of a schema and configuration resource files. These files are also saved in Cassandra tables. They're located in the solr_admin key space in the solr_resources table. Why this matters is because this resource metadata is also replicated to other nodes in your DSE cluster, meaning any alterations or changes only have to be applied to one node. With regards to reading and writing data, writes are going to be done through CQL. A CQL write request will also pass this to DSE search for indexing. That write can occur on any node or any data center. The write will be indexed as long as there's a replica on a search node. Search queries can be executed using the Cassandra query language, CQL. For the more Solr-specific functionality, the traditional Solr HTTP API is also available. Solr will use these search indexes to determine the results for the query. The raw data or rows needed for the search results are then read from Cassandra and returned to the user. Cassandra data types generally will have counterparts in Solr as well. The primitives are the obvious statement here, but the more complex types are also supported. Spatial types such as point type and line string types, collections, as well as support for custom types like UDTs, tuples, and date range fields. There are a few data types that are not supported, however. Traditionally, this is the counter and the duration data type.